come check out the Shark Vertex DuoClean PowerFins powered lift-away vacuum. This is such an exciting thing for us to have, as I had a vacuum before that was from Costco that we had for several years and it died. And along with that, I didn't realize how poor of a vacuum it actually was. I know Shark has been around for a long time, and I didn't know just how much I was missing out until we purchased this product to replace our vacuum that sadly bit the dust. So here are all the pieces. It's very easy to put together and assemble. Everything just snaps into place. You don't really even have to follow the instructions. It's pretty intuitive. And bam, it's together. And it has a really soft front brush roll. Plugged it in, and it has different settings for different types of carpet: hard floor carpet, plush, or not so plush. And then it has maneuverability and LED headlights, which are great for spaces that are dark. And the suction is amazing. We just had our carpets replaced, and this is the first pass of just the extra fluff. And it's really nice because now baseboard cleaning doesn't have to be backbreaking. And you can easily remove the pod. It's detachable to clean out furniture. If you have stairs, you can definitely do that and detach it from the base. And it's just so nice to be able to have several different options. And as I said before, the LED headlights are nice for spaces that aren't lit, so you can actually see what you're doing in vacuuming. And it is just wonderful. As you can see, it is very tall. It comes up to my chest. I'm 5'4". It comes up to my chest. I didn't expect it to be so tall, as it looked little in all the pictures. And my kids absolutely love it too. We all love new mom toys, right? And we're just so grateful to have this and to be able to keep our home even cleaner. I was honestly surprised at the first pass on our rug in our front room. It picked up so much of our dog hair that my other vacuum wasn't even getting to. It has a HEPA filter, and it empties very easily, like it should, unlike other vacuums say. And they say just go ahead and clean the filter out once a month. So take it out, rinse it out, wash it out, and then set it to dry, and then you're good to go to keep vacuuming. We love this product, and we're just so excited to share our review with you.
I just got, don't mind the mess, it was clearly Prime Day, and I've been getting some Christmas decorations out of the shed, so it's a little bit of a mess in here, but I did vacuum last night. Now I do have 2 kids and 2 long-haired kitty cats, so I'm going to show the difference. I'm going to run the vacuum through right now. A little bit of fur from their battle royale last night, and then I'm going to run the new vacuum through. Definitely picked up a lot of stuff that the old one missed. With a lot of kitty hair. I don't know if you are able to see that very well, but there's another setting for like thick carpet. What's it say? Yep, thick carpet, area rug. Let's try that setting. And wow, yeah, it definitely picked up a lot more. See if I can get it to focus. A lot more. So definitely happy with this buy. I don't see any hair wrap. Like, I definitely have an issue with my old Shark with the hair wrap problem. I have to cut it off all the time because me and my two daughters have very long hair. But I don't see any hair wrap issue on this one. So far, very satisfied with this purchase.
So I got a new vacuum, okay? I vacuumed one room. I vacuumed this room, okay? I already had a really good vacuum. I am obsessed with sharks. So I vacuumed this room. This is it! This room! This little bitty space. And look at the amount of dust that is in this vacuum. You have no idea how happy I am right now. Look at all that. That's so disgusting. Yay for sharks.
That's how good it friggin' picks up. All that is sand. This big boy.
Here's a little test I wanted to show with the Shark Vertex, which I've had for about a month, and my old Bissell Clean View, that's sugar, and I put it down, and I wanted to show you kind of the differences and how dramatic this is. I'm going to do the Bissell first. All right? Do you see how there's nothing behind here? Right? All right. Let's go with the old one. Gets blown completely backward. So imagine if it's dust or dirt, whatever the case is, it's everywhere. Next is the Vertex. So I essentially went up one, back one, and we still got that. Let's go with this one. See that? One pass, no sugar went behind it. Anyhow, I hope that helps. I would definitely try this with your current vacuum if you're thinking about this Shark Vertex. Thank you.
Right there where it's gross, yeah. That's crazy.